We're pleased to have you here for the MQTT Basics for Industrial IoT Applications course. This course empowers you to install and configure an MQTT client as a Windows service on your PC and explore its applications. You will install a Windows-based MQTT application called MQTT Explorer, which will allow you to run simple tests as a publisher and subscriber. Upon completing this course, you'll be able to explain the core principles and structure of MQTT, including the publish-subscribe model. Identify the key components and terminology of an MQTT system, including clients, brokers, topics, retained messages, and quality of service or QoS levels. List and explain the DOS commands required to use and manipulate the Mosquito program in the CMD command environment. Demonstrate how to install and configure the Mosquito MQTT broker on a Windows PC. Demonstrate how to configure Mosquito with basic settings. Demonstrate how to run Mosquito as a local service and test basic functionality. Recognize the security considerations involved in using MQTT in IIoT. Install and experiment with MQTT Explorer, and demonstrate the use of JSON-formatted messaging in MQTT. Throughout this course, you'll encounter detailed lessons and hands-on examples. Please be prepared to allocate dedicated time to dive into the content, ensuring you get the most from your learning journey. Upon completing the course, you will be issued an official certificate of completion from RealPars.